dear students. Welcome to your computer science class. So children, from today onwards, we will start the revision class for the periodic 2 examination. So children, let us have a look at the syllabus for the periodic 2 examination. Okay, from in the periodic 2 examination, children, we have to prepare lesson number 7, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, and lesson number 8, that is slide organization in PowerPoint. These two lessons we have to prepare for the periodic 2 exam. Okay, and today we will do the revision for lesson number 7. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So these are the few topics which we have to prepare today. Let us see to it. Starting MS PowerPoint, creating a new presentation, built-in templates, using themes and smart art, viewing a presentation. So these are the topics we have to study. So let us first understand how to start MS PowerPoint. Okay. So children, let us start working on PowerPoint. Okay. Let me close it. Okay. Now suppose if you want to start MS PowerPoint, so in the search box what you will do, you will write MS PowerPoint. Okay. Or you can also write here, see here. Now you can see here Microsoft Office PowerPoint option has come before you. Okay. You can also write the full name or the short name. Like I'm writing here Microsoft PowerPoint. See here. Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 has come. You simply click on this. Okay. And now you see the Microsoft PowerPoint window has opened before you. Now this was the starting. How to start Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Okay. Now how to create a new presentation. Okay. So first method. Let us see. Go to the Office button here. Okay. Now new is written over here. Click on this new blank and recent. Then click on create. So this way you can see here you have created a new presentation. Here you can see these dotted rectangular boxes. They are known as the placeholders. Okay. So if you want to write here anything, you can write here. Okay. So these are the placeholders where I have written. So children, the first screen which we have opened here, this is known as the normal view, and in the normal view only you can see the outline tab is over here. Okay, this outline tab is there in no other view, and the main editing view, normal view is the main editing view also, where we can make the changes required for our presentation. Okay, so this is our normal view, and by default whenever we open the PowerPoint window we always have the normal view. Okay, and this is the outline tab. Okay, on the right hand side. Clear? Now so these are the groups, children. Here remember the groups of all the tabs. See here, these are all the tabs. Every tabs they have the different groups. Okay, so this way we can create a new presentation. Now next topic is how to use built-in templates. Okay, let us see. Again go to the Office button, click on new. See here, installed templates. Templates I've already taught you that templates, they are the pre-designed slides. Okay, see here, these are all the pre-designed slides where you have to make the changes on your own. Whatever the changes if you want to make here, you can make it. Suppose here you can delete it and write whatever you want to write. So this way we can make the changes here in the built-in templates. Okay, you can make it bold. Okay, you can make it underline. You can increase the font size. Okay, so this is the use of the built-in templates. Now one more thing I was telling you children, that see here, that in this when you use the built-in templates, how many slides are there? 5. See here, 6 built-in templates we have got here. Okay, and you can make the changes in this. So this way we can use the built-in templates. Okay. Next is children, next topic is how to modify the uh, built-in templates. Suppose if you want to insert smart art. Okay. How to insert smart art? Click on insert button. Then on the insert tab, you will go to the illustrations group. Okay. In the illustrations group, you will get smart art. You can select whatever the smart art you want, like see process here. Okay. This way click on OK and it will be inserted. Suppose if you want to write here good, then you can write here better, then next is best. Good, better, best. So this way children you can insert smart art to modify your built-in templates. Okay, now how to use themes into this. Okay, now for themes, when if you want to apply themes to your slides, what you will do is that go to the design tab. As you will click on the design tab, you will get the various options like see this one, and it will be applied to all the slides. See, these are the themes. Okay, so this way we can make the changes into the themes. Okay, so this is the use of the themes. Normal view is the main editing view. I already taught you children. Okay, now how to use the slide sorter view. Slide sorter view, you will go to the view tab. Okay, to understand the slide sorter view is what children? Slide sorter view is the miniature view of all these slides. Okay, now suppose I have made all these slides are made, pre-designed templates are, these are all okay. Now suppose if I want to see the slide sorter view, what I'll do is that on the view tab I'll click on the presentation views. Okay, and on the presentation views I will go on the slide sorter view. See here, now you can see here, these are all these slides displayed over here, and they are all the miniature view of all the slides. Okay, so this way we can see the slide sorter view. They are arranged in proper sequence. Next we had to study about the slide show view. Now how to see the slide show view children? First of all, you can with the help of the keyboard, when you will press the F5 key, you can have the slideshow view. See, this is the slideshow view. Okay, now you can see here end of slideshow, click to exit. What you will do, how to come back to the original screen? By pressing the escape button. Okay, another method is that you can go to the status bar. On the status bar, you will get all the normal view and the slide sorter view and the slide show view. So you can click on the slide show view. This way you can have a look at the slide show view. So first method is that by pressing the F5 key. Then second method is on the status bar. And now see the next method, the last method, slideshow view, by clicking on the view tab. This is the view tab. Go to the presentation views and then click on slide show option. You can see here. This is the slideshow. So the three methods we have understood from the keyboard F5 key, on the status bar, and then on the view tab. Then click on the slide show view from the presentation group. Okay. Now how to come back to the normal view? By pressing the escape button. Okay. Okay children. So how to come to the normal view? This way, by clicking on the presentation views, then clicking on the normal button. Okay. So this way children, we studied about the slideshow view, slide sorter view. Okay. So this was children from lesson number 7. Then next is children notes page. What is notes page? See here. Notes page children, if you want to write something very important in this slide, so here you can write by clicking on the notes page. Notes page is in view, which tab? Oh, view tab it is, in the presentation views group. Okay, so here you can see here You can write whatever you want to write. Love I love coloring. I can increase the font by going on the Home tab, making it bold and increasing the font size to 28. You can see here it is visible. Okay, so notes page is what, children? Notes page is available on the View tab. Okay, and what it does, it displays the note page for the selected slide. Okay, for you can select certain slide and display the notes page. Okay, whenever you want to create some additional notes for the current slide. Okay, so this is the use of the notes page. Okay, so this was, children, from lesson number 7, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Okay, so prepare the lesson well, children. Okay, practice this and go through your textbook also. See you all in the next video. Thank you.